Are you trying to get into tech and feeling stuck? You are not alone. A few weeks ago, I received this email from Erica. I have done over 50 courses in tech, but I'm struggling to make the transition into the industry. And trust me, there are many people like Erica who are struggling to get into technology from non-tech background. Even myself, I was working as a teacher, and then later on I worked with many high-class companies like United Nations, NHS, ICR, and the list goes on. And in this video, I will share 5 steps and a bonus to do this transition. And step number 5 is my favorite one. So let's start with the step number 1, learning the wrong things. Trust me, after talking with Erica and many other students, I realized this is the number 1 problem that most people do. They try to learn the wrong things. It is easy to fall into the trap of thinking more complex skills are necessary. And I've seen in the past many students follow overly complex paths. But the reality is straightforward and simple path. Many IT jobs need solid fundamentals, not just complex theories. So if you learn the right things, transition will be much easier for you. And also I have seen many times students learn those things which are not really required for IT jobs. Often students pick up skills that sounds cool or they are trending, but they are not actually needed for the job. And also I noticed, especially newbie, they try to avoid fundamentals for quick wins. In an effort to quickly change career, I noticed many newbie try to ignore the fundamentals. This approach can lead to a shaky understanding of fundamentals and struggles in technical interviews. And the second most common misconception that people have is thinking it's too hard. Many people hesitate to switch into technical jobs because they think it's too hard to learn. But remember this thing, tech is learnable. Programming is not for genius. Anyone can learn this skill. This is really easy to learn. With the right resources and dedication, most can learn the essential concepts and skills. And remember, you don't have to know everything at once. Starting with the basics and building your knowledge pieces by pieces makes learning manageable. And my next point is all about degree. Believing you need a tech degree. Again, this is a misconception that you need a degree to enter in the world of programming. Let me share a story of Joshua. He transitioned into a tech career without a formal tech degree. Joshua began his tech journey while working as a barista. Despite not having a formal tech education, he started small. His hard work and passion for tech led to a job as a web developer. It clearly shows you don't always need a degree to succeed in tech. This is just one example of Joshua. Personally, I know so many people who change into tech at the age of 40. Even now big companies saying openly this about degrees. Elon Musk has mentioned several times that a college degree is not a requirement to work at Tesla or SpaceX. He prioritized problem-solving skill over formal education. Let me repeat one more time. This is again a misconception that you need a tech degree to enter in the world of technology. This is purely a misconception. Now anyone can become a software engineer with strong problem-solving skills. And the next point is building practical experience. This point is really important but often overlooked. I have seen so many people, they are spending lots of time on learning. They are doing one tutorial after second and then third. But they rarely spend any time on building projects. And that's the problem. Remember this, real project matters. Just knowing how to code is not really enough. You need to show that you can use those skills to make real things. Building projects like websites, apps, or even simple games can help you to learn and show off your skills. And getting hands on building actual project is a key step in moving into tech career. Remember, it's not about learning, it's about doing. And the next step is networking and mentorship. This step is super important. Networking and finding mentors can open up a lot of doors and give you insights you won't find in books or online courses. A mentor is someone who has been where you want to go. He can guide you, offer advice, and help you avoid common pitfalls. He can be your biggest cheerleader, and he can support you when things are not really going in the right direction. Finding a mentor is really important, as he can speed up the entire process. He provides support, advice, and opportunity that can significantly accelerate your career transition. I have helped a lot of students in the past, and now I'm going to start a very small group of new students very soon. Want to know more? Sign up for my newsletter. You can find the link in the description below. And here is a very important point for you. All the points which I discussed above are not really useful if you don't have this. This is called mindset. Having the right mindset is really important. It really helps you to switch from non-tech to tech career. How you think can help you succeed even more than just having tech skills. Building a positive and strong mindset will not only help you handle the challenge or changing career, but also help you do well and enjoy your new tech career. If you are not aware, let me quickly share a report of McKinsey. The report says that AI will change many jobs by 2030. Lots of people will need to learn new skills for different jobs, especially in tech areas like healthcare and green tech. If you're thinking about moving into IT, this is the perfect time for you. Training and planning can help you switch smoothly. And if you want to know how coding be easy for you, you can watch this video. And if you want to know my journey, you can watch this video. And thank you for watching.